Yeah, good day everyone, welcome to Crypto Gist. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the Electrum ICO. It's actually an ICO that is going on at the moment, and there's kind of a lot of hype around the project. I'd like to discuss what it's about. So, what is Electroneum? So Electroneum is trying to create a mobile blockchain. So let's go down here. It says Electroneum, the mobile cryptocurrency. So basically, they are trying to create a mobile cryptocurrency which is going to be easy to use, and it's basically powered by an app, so that it's going to be mobile friendly. So it says it's going to be a disruptive technology as Electroneum presents a fast leap towards the easy to use and accessibility of cryptocurrency. Actually, because it's targeting the mobile network, it has a large market, since we have over 2.2 smartphone users. And if you go through the team, if you look through their LinkedIn profiles and make research on them, you discover that they actually have a lot of experience and some track record, especially the CEO, Richard Els, is actually the CEO of another company of Total, which is a media company. So what is special about Electroneum? So basically, Electroneum is going to be a blockchain that's going to make it possible for individuals to mine using their smartphones. It's going to be ASICs and GPU resistant, meaning you can only mine using your CPU. So basically, the mining is kind of of two forms. The main mining is done using your systems, either on your Windows or your Linux or your OS X operating systems. So those are the people that do the major mining, which involves downloading the blockchain and taking care of transactions, and they are the ones that gain most of the coins from the blockchain, and are rewarded the most from the blockchain. So, but for individuals mining using their mobile phones, they don't need to download the whole blockchain. So practically, on the app, which is presently which is already developed, it's going to simulate the mining process. But in the real sense, what the app does is just gather statistics from your phone, like the performance of your phone, the RAM usage, and some other things like that, and then individuals are then rewarded with Electrum tokens from the network. So practically, you gain tokens by just running the miner on your phones. So that's very good. And it's important to know that another great thing about the Electrum blockchain is that there are no transaction fees. So that's great. That's quite great compared to Bitcoin, whose transaction fees quite enormous at the moment. On Electrum, there are no transaction fees. The other blockchain I think that does that is IOTA, because I think that's a very good property for a blockchain. So one of the reasons why they are trying to combine blockchain with smartphone is the issue of mass adoption, because not a lot of people, because practically blockchain is let's say a relatively new technology, right? It has great potential, but one of the problems it's having is it being able to be used by everyone. So because smartphones are practically used by everyone, both people in developed and underdeveloped countries make use of smartphones. So merging blockchain and smartphones are is a very important concept, and it's going to be good for a blockchain as a whole in the sense of mass adoption. So okay, next they are also the CEO from one of the interviews here saying that okay, there's actually on the app itself there's gonna have a game. The game is already under development, so practically you get rewarded by just playing the game. You are rewarded with the electron coins, which are actually spendable, and also they are going to they will have an API which can be added to their games, and they have an API which other game developers can add to their games, so that the points rewarded by those games are actually spendable. So another important thing when investing in ICOs and blockchain technology is you ask yourself, do they have a product, right? That's another good thing about this project. So actually right now they have a product. So they have their blockchain already. They've been programming and they've been developing for a while now, so their blockchain is ready to launch. Then, like I was talking about the app is already designed already. All that remains is to be launched, and it's going to be launched on the 1st of November, immediately after the ICO on the 31st of October. So that's very great. So and then another thing is this. Another important thing is the consigning the divisibility of their tokens. So the CEO said that their tokens are only divisible to the second decimal place, right? Which is easier for people to wrap their heads around, unlike Bitcoin that is divisible to the 8th decimal place, which is kind of not easy for people to understand, especially when you consider mass adoption. And so a lot of people won't be easy to get used to sending 0.0000 something of a currency to another person. So that's another good thing. So like I said that, and then at the moment they are already talking with some exchanges. They are speaking with I think, what did he say again? They are speaking with Cryptopia and Ubit, so that their coins will be listed on those exchanges after the ICO. And then as time goes on, as the project improves better, they will get listed into better exchanges like Bittrex. So that's another good thing. The total house supply of the Electroneum tokens are 21 billion. But they have 19 billion that is available for this token sale. And then the remaining coins are going to be released into circulation through miners. Like I said, so they already have a product, they have their blockchain, so it's not like most projects where they have the idea and they're collecting money to implement those ideas. They already have their blockchain, the app is already developed, so practically the money they're raising from the ICO is to be used for advertisement. They want to translate the mobile app into I think I read over 40 languages, and they're also using the money. They want to get as much money as they can in order to advertise the Electrum project in several countries of the world. So next, Electroneum explosion and reaction. Duncan Logan, I think he's the CEO of what company is that? Say Rocket Space. Yeah, he released a tweet that about Electroneum being his first ICO is actually buying into. So that could be a sign of something good. So could do your own research. Like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. I advise you guys to do your own due diligence. You could read more about the projects. Could download their white paper. Okay. Then concerning their team, like I said, their team is Richard Els, who is their CEO. He has over 20 years experience in digital industry. Yeah, he has a team over 40 developers in his social media company, which is Retotal. And so Retotal software is used by over thousands of hundred of thousands of people. So you could research on the team members. You could go through their LinkedIn. Well, I've heard that they have a strong team from several people I've heard reviewing the project. The advisors, we have Mark Robinson and Andy Johnson. Okay, don't really know these people. Okay, so that's it for this project. I actually think that there's a lot of potential in the project, and actually their ICO is on now at the moment. I think I got in at 30% bonus, and that's going to end in 8 hours. Actually, I'll be releasing a video on how to participate in the ICO. That'll be the next video, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So for those who can figure that out, this is my referral code. I'll also leave that in the description below. So the way the referral system works is you get 1% of your of the amount of coins you buy by using my referral code. That means if you buy 1,000 Electron tokens, you add 10 to that. Then you get 1,010, and then I'll get 5% of that, which is about 50 Electron tokens. So that is it for this particular video. I advise you guys to do your own due diligence. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.